Hi, good day everyone. Good day, Coach Martinez. And for today, I'm going to tell you what is the mission, vision, goal, and the core value of Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University. So before that, I'm going to introduce myself first. Hi, my name is Antoinette Ann Bansal, 18 years old, a dedicated student pursuing a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. And I am from Group 1, Section 1B. So first, I'm going to tell you what is the vision. So the vision is a world-class polytechnic university, and the mission is produce globally competent human capital and research innovation for quality lives. And the goal is develop and sustain the culture of innovation, collaboration, responsiveness, and excellence. And the core value is love of God and country, social responsibility, commitment, dedication to serve, accountability. And also in this video, I'm going to tell you what is the objective of College of Teacher Education in Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University, or the goal of the CTE. So they have a 7 goal, and the first one is, so these are the goal of College of Teacher Education. The College of Teacher Education should aim to, first is, or A is, produce graduate equipped with knowledge and skill of teaching profession. B is equip student with teaching competencies in meeting the ever-changing needs of the environment. The C is provide opportunity to become globally competitive professionals. And the D is continuously improve program in order to produce employable graduates. Next is the E. E is provide student the skill to undertake research work and contribute enhancement of quality teaching methodology. F is equip student with appropriate moral and ethical value of teaching profession. And the G is provide student the opportunity to undergo community immersion and service. So that goal will help us future teacher to become more professional in everything. Profession. Profession is always on my mind to become a licensed professional teacher. As a future teacher, I always believe that we should be a good influence or a good role model to our students. We should teach them how to become a good human being. Teach them how to respect, discipline, and to value everything that we have. And also not just being a good influence, but also a motivation. We should be a motivation to our students. Motivate them to believe themselves, to reach their dream, and the most importantly is to never give up. Again, this is Antoinette M. Bansal, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English.